AJ picked out the Pokemon and Skull. I better go see what's going on over there. Della and her umbrella. Here, AJ, I'll help you put these on so you can't hear the big booms. Sure wish I knew what they were doing over there. There goes the Skull firework. Sure would have been better at night, though. See, it goes this way. There's Uncle Dave acting silly with sparklers. Hey, AJ, is that you behind there? Family picture on 4th of July. Aren't they a good-looking family? Everyone gathered in the driveway to light off these fireworks. These are getting boring. I'll just sit here and watch. Now, can you hear anything, AJ? Aunt Chrissy's holding up the bad finger. Happy 4th of July.